you doing? Welcome to the channel. Thank you. Come check out the bus. So my brother Nathan, he's gonna take us around this thing, just kind of talk to us a little bit about the bus, some really cool functions. He knows way more about this than, of course, I would. Starting off, E350 Super Duty. This is like a regular school bus. You can see right here, Mesa Unified School District. How cool is that? Bus 8427, you can see that. Thomas. Custom route. Let's go on the inside. Boom. Check. Oh, ow, it's nice and warm in here too.
Super warm.
Yeah. Wow. Very cool. King size bed. Just about. What do you guys use as a mattress?
Just the one that's in that spare bedroom. The memory foam queen.
And are these are all speakers up here?
Mm-hmm.
Very
Speakers.
cool.
You got the air conditioner that came with the bus. You got a third-party air conditioner so that you can run it while the vehicle's off.
Very cool. This is nice up here.
Yep. Put a shelf in here. Just
where did this come from?
This was donated by a family friend.
Wow.
Just bolted it in to the floor, and then just put some brackets and things like that. Put an eye hook so you can.
Very cool. What is the floor exactly? Do you know?
Some type of vinyl, probably.
Some type of vinyl. And what's underneath it? Like, is it just wood underneath the vinyl? Do you know?
Steel, and then it goes straight through to the ground.
Wow. And this is original?
Original bus bench seat.
Wow.
Yep. It folds up so you can, get to the seat belts.
That's so cool. All the windows are original?
Original. We have the screens for all of them.
Wow. That's so cool.
Yep. Here, usually we'll do like the cooking here. And then just like drop this down.
Nice.
We have window covers for all the windows, so it can completely block.
Hi, babe. Look at me. I'm in a bus. Cool.
I made an extra storage here.
Wow.
So,
and it's just insulated.
Yeah, just some of that stuff. It's called a third-party switch, so that while the bus is off, we can still access the four-way cameras.
Very cool. And so you have security around the whole bus.
Mm-hmm.
Backup camera.
Yep.
See anybody creeping up on you? I love the mirrors.
Yep.
Yeah, they really help you
so
get up up close.
Used to be here, so it's accessible while you're sitting from the driver's seat.
Yeah.
But it blocked off all of this, so we kind of made a custom bolt here.
Yeah.
So it used to be super long and with support things coming up here. Made a custom one, shortened it, just because we don't need all of that.
Yeah. How is it driving? How does it feel?
It drives great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
We're gonna take it camping soon.
That's awesome.
Next couple weeks.
In here you got what? Two 12 just regular car batteries? Yeah. Very cool. Wow. And these are dually wheels?
Dually wheels.
So you got two on each side. Support a lot of weight. Wow.
We got cameras all the way around up here. What I really like about it too is it has the gutter system.
Oh yeah. Oh, and so wow.
So when it rains, you can still have the windows cracked.
Yeah.
And then it just kind of.
And I know I mentioned it before, but the white roof probably really helps with the weather. New, you said LED bulbs?
Yep, LED bulbs.
Very cool. And then this is for a block heater, right?
Yep.
Transmission fluid, duh. Okay.
Yeah.
Engine.
Oil fluid.
Washer fluid, duh. Okay. What do we have? So this looks like a turbo.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Turbo diesel.
Power stroke turbo diesel. All of your glow plugs are on the inside, right?
Your oil fill. You have your coolant.
And you were saying what this is?
That's just a
gauge for the air filter?
Yeah, exactly.
When that needs to get cleaned?
Yep.
Have you noticed, does that get gummed up quick?
No, I mean, we don't. Yeah.
Over here is fuse box?
Yep, fuse box. So I actually had to replace the fuel filter, which is underneath this air box. So you have your alternator here, and your fuel filter is it's like back there.
Okay.
You can actually see it's like the only shiny part back there.
Oh yeah, I do see it.
Yep. So I replaced it to a third-party cap because it's plastic, it's brittle, 20 plus years old.
Yeah.
So that was crazy to get to.
Actually, you can see your. Oh no, those are gonna be brake lines. Right. This is your brake fluid.
Yep. Brake
right.
fluid
Yep.
there.
Yeah.
I was like so confused because none of the electronics were working. I'm like, I don't know what I did. They have a right here. This is a total kill switch right here. So
Wow.
I was cleaning up in here. I was wiping things down. I pressed that, and I didn't have any brake lights. All the electronics went out, and I'm like so confused. After some research, I had hit this button, and it is a total just kill switch.
Interesting.
So that's pretty cool.
Why do they have a kill switch right there?
I don't know.
For working on it, maybe?
I have no idea.
What I believe, this is a power solenoid, and so this is connected to the battery, right? Probably this red goes all the way down your connection to the battery, and so then this I'm not 100% sure, but the solenoid, that's just like a safety that has this kill. So on regular like tractors like the Cub Cadet I was working on, the solenoid had the power and the ground in, but there's also a kill switch. And that one specifically, not this, but this one should also have some type of frame ground. Yeah, what do you do anything with this? Is this?
No. So it's for the stop sign. It would bolt here.
Yeah.
And then kind of fit into here.
Okay.
I mean, if you were to open this, like the electronics are still hooked up.
Yeah.
So.
Very cool. This is all. You called this a condenser, a radiator?
Yeah. For the big AC in the back.
Okay.
We got a locking gas cap just because.
Good, yeah. And then he was describing these little pins right here are so that you can fill air from the back tire as well, so you don't have to take a tire off to fill that inner tire. Really cool.
You have like shore power inlet here.
Oh.
That's just connected to an extension cord, so you can plug it up.
Yeah. Check it out. That's gonna be everything. Really cool. First time seeing it.
Very basic, but that's kind of how we like it. It's just not too many modifications, not too much money went into it. Just gets us out there into nature, and
that's what it's all about.
Yeah.
All we're doing is camping, right? So.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Exactly.
Beautiful. Thank you very much. That was sick. Well, thank you, Nathan. I appreciate it. Very cool. Taking a look at this thing. Awesome.
It's got 199,000 miles on it.
Almost 200,000. So
no, sorry, 299,000.
299,000.
Go look at the odometer. I think it's 298.
No, it's cool. It's really cool. Yep, 2003. Very cool. Thank you very much, Nathan. I appreciate you looking through that with me. Very fun. Very cool. Thank you all for tuning in. See you guys on the next video. Maggie, what the hell?